I'm so sorry, I forgot to record. Yeah. Here are the answers of those top ones.
After we had peace in the second period, but we had a sub, and then we had a test in third period.
There you go. Yep. Just remember properties of a rhombus. These are both rhombus. Change that to rhombus. Diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect angles. And this is a 3, 4, 5 triangle. And then for this one, they bisect each other. Diagonals bisect angles, so they were equal. I set them equal and got 3, and then plugged it in. And remember, consecutive angles are supplementary. All right, number 3. What shape is number 3? A parallelogram. So, I personally think J was the easier one to find here. Why? Don't you agree these are on the same line? So, aren't they the same Y? What's the Y right there? 7. That's all you had to do. Was it really that easy? Don't you agree this J and this D are on the same line? Don't you agree they should share the same Y value? So since that's 7, that's 7. That's it. They have the same Y. That's it. Okay, the next one I do think is a little bit harder. What do we know about parallelograms? Opposite sides are congruent. Do I know what the bottom side is? No, because it doesn't give me the X. Do I know what the top is? If I'm at 4, how many am I going to need to count to get to 15? What is 15 minus 4? I'm going to count 11. So if I counted 11 for the top, how many would I count for the bottom? And if I start at 0, where am I going to end up at? 11, 0. Does that make more sense? Okay? This was definitely one of those problems where we get overwhelmed and we just give up. Don't give up. Process. All right, same thing for this next one. What shape is this? It's a square. But that doesn't even matter. You don't even need to really know that to do this. Because, y'all, what's my X value here? Don't you agree it's the same as down there? It's that easy. What's the X value right here? No, right here. 8. What's the Y value right here? 6. So this one you're just looking at, it's a square, they're 90-degree angles. Is it really that easy? All right, turn your paper over. We're going to get a little bit more complicated. I want you to try the next two. The next two are actually physically graphing. Can you create a rectangle if I give you B, A, and C? Gabby, here are the answers. Do you need me to explain it? Okay. How do I get point D for the rectangle? Louder? Rise over run. Hey y'all, how do you get from A to B? Down 3. So you're just going to do the same thing. Down 1, 2, 3, left 1. Don't you agree A, B, and C, D are parallel? So they should just have the same slope. Just do the same thing.
But what if I start from D and I go up 3?
So that's fine, but the only thing about that is you don't know D, so it's hard to go up. So you just go the opposite direction.
The opposite direction of wherever it is.
So it is at 8-2. How many of you did not write parentheses around 8-2? That's points off. Put parentheses around points. It's a coordinate. What about a square? How do I create a square here? Rise over run. What's my rise over run here? Up 2, right 3. Okay, everybody pause and look up. Even if you got it, everybody pause and look up. How do I create the square? Am I going to go 2, 3 again? You could turn your paper and do that. Why am I going to flip and switch? I'm looking for a different word. Squares. Squares have what kind of angles? And if squares have 90-degree angles, the lines are perpendicular. And at the beginning of the year, what did we learn about perpendicular slopes? Opposite reciprocal. So to create the 90-degree angle, I'm going to go down 3, right 2. Some of you can just turn your paper and do it. That's fine. Now also be careful. What gets people think this wrong? What letter is this? Does it matter? Why? It has to be in order. So we have A, B, next has to come C. Not because C comes next in the alphabet, because it comes next in this right here. What point is that at? 7, 6. And then how do I find D? Do the same thing from A. Down 1, 2, 3, left or right 2, sorry. Where is D at? Ask again. I heard some people say wait. Because right here, this was up 2, right 3, from A to B. Does that make sense? Yeah. So I did the opposite reciprocal. I switched them and flipped them. Oh, from A, I do the same thing. Go down 3, right 2. Yeah, from A. Yeah. So do one of them from B, one of them from A. All right. Number 8. Okay, this is, remember we talked about logic at the beginning of the class? A little bit of common sense, a little bit of knowing your properties. Okay? It says, given quadrilateral, write the specific name it describes. Do I know if it's a square, a rectangle, or a rhombus?
Nope.
So am I going to know how to draw it?
Nope.
No. So I'm just going to draw this and label it. It doesn't matter what it looks like to you. If you were to draw a rectangle, that's fine. I'm just going to draw it like this because I don't want to think it's a rectangle and it's not. Make sure your letters go in order. What does this tell me? QA is congruent to. So I have congruent diagonals. And what else does it tell me? And all my sides are the same. What shape has congruent diagonals and all the sides are the same? It is not both. So is it a rhombus or a square?
Square.
Why? All the sides are the same. But the diagonals are the same. Are the diagonals the same on a rhombus? No. So this is only a square. Did my picture look like a square?
No.
But does it matter? No. As long as you know the properties, that's what matters. All right. Same thing. I have QUAD. QU is parallel to AD. AU is parallel to QD. And Q has a right angle. What shape is this? Why? It has a right angle. It only has one? Well, since they're all parallel, don't you agree if it has one, it has four? What shape has four right angles? Now, why am I not going to write a square? Do I know anything about the sides?
Nope.
So I can't assume. So this is only a rectangle. Okay? Alright, last one we're going to do, and this is like number 10 on your homework that y'all had questions about. How do I find the perimeter? Adding all the sides. I have no sides. I have a hypotenuse and I have an angle. Can I draw a right triangle right here? And if I draw a right triangle, what can I do with that? I can do opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite over hypotenuse is sine. It's not going away.
Who says sin?
We are educated in this room. We're not saying sin. How do you get O by itself when it's on top?
Multiply by 6.
And I'll give you that answer in just a second. But that just gives me this side and this side. Then how do we do the other one up here? Cosine. Isn't that my adjacent?
Yeah.
So can't I do the cosine of 28 equals adjacent over hypotenuse? The bottom or the top one is cosine, the bottom one is sine. So now you have your answers. Y'all agree with that? Did I answer the question? What's the question asked for? How do I find the perimeter? Add them up. And do y'all notice how in here I labeled them O and A so that I could be lazy and say A plus O plus A plus O is 40.573 feet. Yes. Gabby, do you still have your pass, or did you throw it away? Okay. All right. If you have not been organized, today might be the day you want to get organized. So, this unit has 4 pages five kind of, that I want you to glue in. By the way, does that now help clarify how to do number 10? When I ask you for the perimeter and all that? Okay. If you have questions, come see me and I can help you with that. Oh, sorry. Number 10 is right here. Here is the table of contents for this unit. Page 53 is what we did on Friday. It's this one. Y'all should have already glued it in, but just in case you didn't. 54 is your flow chart or checklist. You can glue in both or only glue in one. It's up to you. 54. What?
How do you glue that?
Oh, I would just fold it, like do a strip and fold it. Yep. 55 is yesterday's notes, and 56 are today's notes. Your homework is due when? Tomorrow when you walk in. Worksheet 3 and worksheet 4 together.